What are the top 10 low maintenance plants? So today I will be sharing with you about top 10 easy to grow plants. These are best house plants too. So if you are new, consider subscribe and stay tuned to Tamara's Garden. This is Erica palm. This is a palm plant and very easy to grow plant. Without fertilizer, you can grow this plant. This is best indoor plant because this is an air purifier plant, and these plants you can divide and multiply. If you have kept them outdoors, make sure that they are planted in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. So the first plant is Erica palm. Another beautiful variegated leaves of umbrella plant. Look at this. This is a beautiful decorative plant. This is one of the easy to grow house plants. You can grow them with stems. Put the cuttings in water, or else you can put them in soil and you can grow it really well in the semi-shade. So this is umbrella plant and a beautiful house plant, a low maintenance plant. Without fertilizer, you can grow this plant. Beautiful colorful green citrina. This is another low maintenance plant for your garden. They grow well in the medium to partial sunlight, and even if you put them in the bright sunlight, that will be okay, but make sure to water them in the evening, especially in the hot summers. So this is another beautiful house plant for your indoor plants collection, or else you can put them in the garden as well. Pothos plants. Pothos plants are air purifier plants and must-have plants. They are easy to grow and look so beautiful. Their foliage is amazing. I love this plant to keep in the entrance, and they are always good because one of the feng shui plant and one of the lucky plants as well. So have this money pothos plant in your house plants collection as a low maintenance plant. Pandanus plants. These plants are permanent, low maintenance, and also they prefer the shade, or else you can put them in the bright light. They grow anywhere in the garden. This is one of the indoor plant also because their foliage is so amazing, and this plant, when you put it outdoors, it adds so much of beautiful decorative color. Their colors are so wonderful, and I have many plants out of them. I have made free plants out of them from the mother plant, and easy to divide and make free plants. This is another suggestion for your outdoor garden, or else for your indoor garden as a very low maintenance plant. Syngonium plant. I suggest this plant for beginners because you can make free plants, and also this is for a busy gardener who has no time for watering every day, or else if you put them indoors you don't need to water them regular basis. So this is another suggestion for a beginner gardener because this is a permanent and a low maintenance plants. So this is Syngonium. Look at the foliage. There are many varieties as well. This is Aralia plant, and there are varieties as well. I have this variety with me. Look at the foliage. They are so beautiful with their round leaves. They are good luck plants as well. So this is another suggestion for your garden. A beautiful house plant, low maintenance but permanent. Keep them in the shade for their growth and water them in once in the morning will be enough. And these plants doesn't need any fertilizer. How about the beautiful foliage? Look at this. Different varieties of coleus plants, absolutely colorful. They color your garden. This is another house plant which doesn't need any fertilizer. They are permanent in your garden and also low maintenance. Beginner gardener can easily grow them. If you put them in the ground or else in a pot, they will grow beautifully. This is another beautiful suggestion, a low maintenance plant for your house plants collection. Wandering Jew. You can grow them with a small cutting in water or else in soil. These are low maintenance plants too. They are colorful. They are absolutely beautiful in hanging baskets. You can put them in hanging baskets as well. This is a wonderful suggestion for a lazy gardener. This is Dracaena, and you can grow it with a single stem, and also this is also a permanent plant, low maintenance plant. This is one variety. I have some other as well. This is best for the shade. Bamboo plants. So now here I have the most beautiful variegated leaves of these plants. They are a great suggestion for a lazy gardener, and these also permanent and low maintenance. Rubber plant, another beautiful house plant, low maintenance. There you can grow from a single leaf, and also a lazy gardener's plant. They will love the shade. This is Monstera, or we call it as the broken heart. This is another low maintenance plant. Sansevieria, another low maintenance plant. No need to water them on regular basis as well. Beautiful foliage of philodendron. These are beautiful, colorful, eye-catching plants for your house plants. Lazy gardener's plant, and also one of the permanent and low maintenance plants. This is medicinal aloe vera. This is the last plant that I show you in today's video. This is one of the best plants to have in your garden, must have plant, and also one of the easy growing plant, a succulent. And this plant also loves the shade or the medium to partial sunlight. You can grow them in both conditions, and this plant also you don't need regular watering. So I hope you find this video very useful, friends. And I have done how to grow these plants, care tips separately in my channel, so with your time you can watch them too. So if you are new, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for visiting my channel, Tamara's Garden. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.